Mindfulness meditation for beginners. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful practice that can improve your mental and emotional well-being. If you're new to mindfulness, here are actionable steps to help you get started. Find a quiet space. Choose a calm and quiet environment where you can sit or lie down comfortably without distractions. Set aside time. Allocate a specific time each day for your meditation practice. Start with 5-10 minutes if you're a beginner, and gradually extend the duration as you become more comfortable. Adopt a comfortable posture. Sit in a chair or on the floor with your back straight and your hands resting on your lap. You can also lie down if that's more comfortable for you. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Feel the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your nostrils or the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Acknowledge your thoughts. It's natural for your mind to wander. When you notice thoughts or distractions, don't judge them. Simply acknowledge them and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Body scan. As you progress in your practice, you can incorporate a body scan. Pay attention to sensations in each part of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. Practice regularly. Consistency is key to mindfulness. Aim to meditate daily, even if it's for a short duration. Use guided meditations. If you're new to mindfulness, consider using guided meditation apps or recordings. They can provide structure and guidance for your practice. Be patient. Mindfulness is a skill that develops over time. Don't be discouraged if your mind continues to wander. This is a normal part of the process. Apply mindfulness to daily life. As you become more comfortable with meditation, practice mindfulness in everyday situations. Pay attention to your surroundings, emotions, and sensations as you go about your day.